remain inside the lounge during the hours of darkness or when the sun deck is closed for weather and safety reasons. We recommend you stay in your seats during the crossing. Take care if moving around the catamaran as vessels can move unexpectedly. Children must be supervised by a responsible adult at all times. Our catamarans are no-smoking vessels, even on the outside sun deck, and that includes e-cigarettes. Emergencies happen very rarely, but you need to know our safety systems. If there is an emergency, you will hear 7 or more short blasts, followed by 1 long blast on the ship's whistle or alarm bells. If you hear this signal, go immediately to a seat in the inside passenger lounge. Put on any terminal. On behalf of the captain and crew, we wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey. And thank you for travelling with Wightlink.
And then I got to work, and he went, no, I can't remember what he did. I said, if you need a space zone, I went boom. And that was it. So I went to the next place. $5.5 grand, I rang him straight away. We went to Cuba. She did like 14 teams, like rotation score. And based on coming in the 96. Based on score. No, they were in a different web they came in at the time. Yeah. 1500. Just like a couple of quid. Yeah, we got life. If you do a bet, we can get it. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? We'll have that one.